Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Aternos Failed to Verify username. So first of all, what you have to do is simply head over to the Aternos official website and sign in with your account. And the first thing that you have to do is to stop your server. Simply what you have to do is click on the stop button to stop your server. Now, once your server has been stopped, what you have to do is go to the options on the left panel, and then you will be able to see server properties. From here, all you have to do is scroll down just a bit and find this option called cracked. Simply turn on the toggle. Now once the toggle has been turned on, make sure it's turned on by refreshing the page. So I will refresh the page once again to check if cracked is turned on. Now once it's turned on, what I will do, I will go back to my server. Now simply I will restart my server by clicking on the start button and click on OK. Once my server has been started, and hopefully this will fix the problem. Now you can join the world, and that's how you can fix Aternos Failed to Verify username. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.